Hello, my name is Tony Litt. I'm the MD of Sunrise Radio, and it's my immense pleasure to bring you the official Sunrise Radio podcast. We are the #1 commercial Asian station in the United Kingdom, with many firsts to our name, and we continue to be the voice of British Asians who have given us their love and loyalty over 30 years. It's a legacy we cherish and a responsibility that we don't take lightly. Our aim has always been to entertain the listeners with the best of Bollywood and Bhangra, while also addressing their concerns. A real voice for the community, a vibrant community, and a great nation. We are proud to be British and Asian. This podcast is a compilation of some of the things we do on the station, with a stellar lineup of presenters who each have their own personality and style. It's entertaining, informative, engaging, and we hope you will enjoy it here as a podcast if you are unable to tune in to the radio. Don't forget to subscribe and tell your family and friends about this podcast, and do leave us a comment on what you think. We'd love to hear from you. All the best always. Team Sunrise.
The UK's biggest station mix. Sunrise Radio.
Hey, my name is Shabnam Sahi. Welcome to the official Sunrise Radio podcast. I'm on your radio weekdays from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. If you've heard the show, you know what to expect from it. Joining me on the podcast today, Gaurav Gera. It gives me great pleasure to say a warm welcome to actor Gaurav Gera, who we all know now as Alam Bhai from Dhurandhar. Gaurav, the success of Dhurandhar, so well deserved, not just as a story that hooks us, but each and every character in the film has made a place in the hearts of the audiences. सबसे पहले आपको वेलकम टू सनराइज कहने के बाद मेरा सबसे पहला सवाल आपसे ये है कि आपने कई इंटरव्यूज में ये कहा है that, you know, even when you guys were shooting Dhurandhar, you could sense that this was something different, this was going to be special. लेकिन क्या शूट करते वक्त आपको एक पल के लिए भी ये लगा हो, did you have reservations about anything? Perhaps about the level of violence or about the way the story was panning out? How did you feel? Were there any bits that worried you when you were shooting?
Hi Shabnam, thank you for the welcome. No, actually, you know, while shooting there was ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. The feeling was pleasant. It felt like a blessed space कि कुछ तो अच्छा होने वाला है. And violence में actually हमें तो दिखता ही है ऐसा कुछ. I don't think even in the movie they have shown too much blood or something. It is definitely the hitting of people and everything is there, but the rest of the things were not shot in front of me, so I can't really comment while like I was there in none of the violent scenes. I saw it in the film actually.
But is it true that when you were shooting it right from day one, you knew that this was something special?
It felt it was special. बाकी तो see सब कुछ ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है. But definitely it felt that there is something right about it. ऐसा feeling I got this feeling in Jassi Jaisi Koi Nahi. You know. Like in the year 2003 when I was shooting for that TV show, something felt right. I couldn't point what it was. Maybe it was right for me. Maybe that is why I have, both these projects. But the vibe of it, I can't really explain. Kuch pata chalta hai. There's something that you get to know.
Now, Gaurav, you've again said in many interviews that you already had the popularity. You had the love of the people. What Alam Bhai's character gave you was respect, newfound respect as an actor. And each time I've spoken about Dhurandhar, I've spoken about how you and Rakesh Bedi were the two actors who completely blew us away because it was so unexpected. Your casting in those roles was so unexpected. जब आप आलम भाई जैसा एक कैरेक्टर प्ले करते हैं, do you have a performance or an actor that you're referencing at the back of your mind? Is there some person that you base your nuances on, or someone who you are very inspired by?
Not for me. I see, actors are also people, and the process is different from each process. A person's process is different from the others. It is not for me. It doesn't work like that for me. I had to just stay in character. This was my age. This is the area I belong to. This is my purpose. All these things, when they're given to me, I just perform based on that. Or dusra, about respect as an actor, like I'm saying, I have been doing work for past 25 years on various platforms. And also making videos, which I am very proud of. Some of the videos that I made, I'm really proud of them. Not the Chutki Shopkeeper, the other ones, the stories that I told. But I think somehow for people, they feel creating Ghar Pe To video bana raha hai is not respect worthy enough. I respected what I did, but I think films changes it completely for you. How you looked at the पूरा बदल जाता है. It is a different ball game altogether. So yeah, it's a bigger scale.
हाँ, you know धुरंधर for us.
मजा आ रहा है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल, और स्क्रीन पे नजर आता है because मुझे लगता है कि धुरंधर को we are celebrating it for so many reasons. Not just the way the story has been told, but I think for the first time it feels like a team effort and the team is getting credit. You know, normally filmmaking is not seen as a team sport. It's the main people who walk away with all the credit, all the glory, right? But this appears to be a story where in the ensemble, every character feels irreplaceable and every character has contributed whatever they were meant to, right? So my question to you is this. As an actor, as Alam Bhai, which were your favorite scenes to shoot? And as an audience, what really moved you in Dhurandhar 1 and 2?
Oh, a lot of things. You know, first of all, I love the film completely. Even if I was not a part of it, I think it's a brilliant film. The way the story is told, the editing, the choice of music, placement of scenes, everything. I think it's they've done it so well. And then I just shot my scenes and I went back home. The guys behind the scenes actually did all the work. Mr. Dhar sat on it for the edits, and the editing team, the music team, they worked so hard on it. They must have worked non-stop for past 2 years. I just did my bits and I went home. But बहुत कमाल लगता है कि this genuinely I feel happy that this film has come out of India and it feels like pride of India, you know, because we've gotten used to a certain type of storytelling. मुझे तो लगता है कि बहुत सारी हम इसी पे चल रहे हैं. प्यार बदला धोखा, अमीर से गरीब, गरीब से अमीर. No one to achieve it. This is the daira we have been playing around with in everything, TV, films, everything. This is different, and I hope it brings in a change for other storytellers also. कि भाई audience को अलग चीजें पसंद आती हैं. It is not what you keep doing and you do it forever and go on doing it. तो बदलना पड़ेगा. Sorry, I missed the question.
What were your favorite scenes to do as an actor, if you can pick any, and as an audience? आपको किस scene को देख के मजा आ गया?
अच्छा, मुझे I like that bridge scene with Ranveer that I had. It was very intense. और actually उसी shoot कर रहे थे, there was no water in the behind us. You know? In the movie there is a पूरा sea waves and everything, but that time it was all dry. We didn't see that. But the scene was intense. It was wonderful. It was a small team, और बहुत आराम से, quietly, in open space, and it was winters. बहुत जोर का सर्दी था उधर. We shot it. That is my favorite scene. और बस यही था. And बाकी तो others तो जो मुझे रंबा हो that's while the shooting was happening, the music was playing full blare. उधर पूरा solid music चालू था. And before the shooting happened, that was also great fun.
Okay, Dhurandhar se hatke, ab let's come to your specific character, Alam Bhai. You know what I think everyone warmed to was the fact that अगर आपकी 2-4 लाइनें भी है ना, it really grounds you and gives us the audience a glimpse of the human being behind this spy, right? Whether it is that मेरे गांव में खारा पानी आता था, चाय भी नमकीन बनती थी, यहाँ की चाय मुझे घर की याद दिलाती है, या फिर इन पार्ट 2 जहाँ पर आप कहते हैं कि एक बरेली का पॉकेट मार अपने देश के लिए शहीद हो रहा है और कोई मुझे याद करे ना करे, you remember me because that will mean the world to me, right? How beautifully you, Gaurav, are the embodiment of less is more, जो बॉलीवुड में बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है. Now, you began as a dancer. You've been an actor. You've been a content creator way before content creation was even a thing. Now you're a movie star. Do you feel that you might get typecast somewhere along the way? Everyone might expect an Alam Bhai from all the other roles that might follow. Do you feel that sense of responsibility, extra responsibility of wanting to really now do very different things?
I still feel कि I still have to prove myself. I feel it is one film I've done and which has done well. I need to explore more of even Alam Bhai. Even if it's Alam Bhai, I could explore more of it. और बाकी typecasting tendency होती है filmmakers की to or for creators to keep repeating what has done well. वो भी होगा, but I will see to it that जैसे पहले बदलता हूँ, maybe I'm able to do it again.
Now, Gaurav, you are an outsider. Another phenomenal thing about the success that you're getting now. Like I said, you've had the popularity, you've had the love, but you've suddenly had the spotlight on you following the massive success of Dhurandhar. And you're an outsider who came to Mumbai. And as you always say, that I don't look at it as a struggle, I look at it as a journey. What would you like to say to people who are listening to our conversation, who are watching this conversation on Sunrise Socials, listening to us on Sunrise right now? How would you inspire an actor who wishes to make a place for themselves with honesty and sincerity in a place like Bollywood?
Shabnam, I've always felt I'm not very inspiring.
Don't say that.
You can edit this,
Don't
right?
say that.
You can
Your work speaks for itself, Gaurav.
No, I feel everybody's story is so different. I cannot inspire anybody. जिस किसी की life में कुछ situations होंगी, they will work accordingly. That's why I don't give interviews. Because I feel कि मैं inspiring नहीं हूँ. I feel that.
No, that's the one
It is
reason I
everybody's
wanted
journey.
to talk to you. That's the one reason I was most excited about the opportunity to talk to you, because you come across as someone who allows his work to do all the speaking, which is phenomenal, so beautiful, so inspiring. People who are in the line for the right reasons. You know, name, fame, riches, वो सब कुछ is a byproduct और वो आएगा. लेकिन अपना काम तो पहले
वो
आप,
byproduct है,
you know, sincerely कीजिए और आप करते हैं. So it's amazing.
हाँ. But it's difficult to explain. Is what I feel.
All right. Okay,
Inspire
riding.
अपने आप हो जाओ. Like whatever you want to do that.
हाँ.
Things follow. But look, your every action leads to where you will be. Is what I mean. तो खुद पे ही है. कोई inspire नहीं कर सकता. It is you yourself who's gonna make or break yourself.
Okay, now the Dhurandhar soundtrack, we're a music station. The Dhurandhar soundtrack is something that plays day and night on our station right now. It's so popular. Can you pick one favorite song? I can understand if you say it's Ramba Ho because you're in it. But other than that, from the entire album, can you pick one favorite?
I like Gehra Hua also.
बिल्कुल.
Gehra Hua.
अच्छा, आपका
And Flipperacci.
and Flipperacci, of course.
Yeah.
आपका पहला shoot कौन सा था? Which was the first scene you shot for Dhurandhar and which was the last scene you shot for Dhurandhar? Do you remember?
You see, the very first scene was where Babu Dakat comes into the shop. You remember?
I remember, yes.
That's it.
And when Ranveer is on the
He
side
puts my daddy.
washing.
Yeah. That was the very first one. And the last one was is Aaj Teri Bari Thi, Meri Bari Kisi Aur Din Aayegi. That's where he's saying, I'll tell my story later. That was the last scene.
Which brings me to my
And
next
we shot
question.
that in Ladakh.
In Ladakh.
And we were stuck for next 5 days. There were no flights taking off after that. तो shoot के बाद तुम अटके थे, साफ के साफ अटके थे. It felt like a hostel छुट्टी. It was pretty good.
Acha, next question. Is there anything about Alam Bhai's character that you would have done differently? For instance, जहाँ पे आपने कहा कि आज तेरी बारी थी, I'll tell my story another day. Would you have liked it if his story had fitted into the screenplay somewhere and you had perhaps a little more scope to kind of show what
You know,
Alam
I
was all
thought
about?
it. Yeah, while shooting it, I didn't think. But अभी देखने के बाद, I thought कि as an actor, I could be greedy to say कि tell my story. But I think जो हो चुका है ना, even how the film is, that has received great reviews from people saying that, you know, at times it's not important to jump in and tell your own story. कि मेरी भी story है, तेरी तो सुन लिया, now listen to me. At times it is just good to hear the person out. Which, while shooting, I didn't think of it. But later on, when I saw people's Insta reels and stuff, I thought, yeah, it makes sense. Maybe Dhar thought of it. Deep detailing by Aditya Dhar. It's what I
Absolutely. Yeah.
thought. So he knew what he was doing.
You're absolutely right that, you know, holding something back has only added to the enigma, and it makes you want to know Alam Bhai's character even more because you held so much back. There was so much simmering underneath which we did not get to see. Gaurav, at what point after Dhurandhar 1 released, December में, at what point did you realize कि यार मेरा character लोगों को पसंद आया है? अब तो इतने मीम्स बन चुके हैं, इतने लोग आपको इतना सारा प्यार दे चुके हैं, लेकिन वो पहला लम्हा कौन सा था जब आपको लगा कि what, I think I've done a good job. I think people have received it well.
See, 1 आ गया था, so I was relieved that I had been received well, but I was pretty tense about 2. I was not 100% sure about my finale scene. You know, I thought I could have done better. मेरे दिमाग में ये सब चल रहा था. Edit में कैसा आया होगा, this and that. I had a lot of तो मैं उसमें भी सोच रहा था कि फर्स्ट में इतना लव मिला, पता लगे सेकंड में वाट लगा दे लोग। तो ये था कि फर्स्ट तो आई डिड सेलिब्रेट, आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी टू सी कि it has been received so well and it was a bigger character.
किसी ने आपको कुछ कहा, किसी ने आपके साथ सेल्फी ली, वो लम्हा where you got validation from the audience saying we loved it. What was the first moment? Do you remember?
My friend called and she said, why are you not stepping out? I don't step out a lot. I travel between Delhi and Bombay. She was like, step out, you will know how big a star you are. I like, acha. I took it very normally and सब इंटरनेट पे ही दिखता है, you know. और बाकी only for you step out only for work. Otherwise, I don't really hang out. तो फिर बाद में धीरे-धीरे समझ आया कि it is really loved. And plus online, though, I could see results and reviews and memes and all that. That was all in my face. Yeah. What happens with me? ना मुझे बहुत लोग नहीं पहचानते अभी भी. Like if I'm clean shaven, I can. People will be like, कि आलम तो नाम ही नहीं लेते. Because also when I move around, I have a cap and everything. People don't, by the time, think, I'm gone. By lum, I'm gone.
And you like it that way. I get the feeling you like it that way. Hana?
I like it. Yeah.
You know, we've spoken about the cast, we've spoken about the ensemble, we've spoken about how every department really did a stellar job. But the fact is that, Gaurav, it is you, your talent, your honesty that made Alam Bhai not just a memorable character, but an emotional moment for everyone who loved Dhurandhar. You know, when you speak about him, when you think of the scenes that you've done, how you have delivered it, you know, you feel a lump in your throat and you feel for this man and you feel how amazing it must be for an actor to deliver that in such a calm and, you know, like really unfussy, unstarry way and yet emerge as the star of the film. To me, you're one of the biggest stars of Dhurandhar. So my question to you now is, what excites you about the kind of content that's coming out of India right now? What is the most exciting thing about being a part of the landscape right now?
See, Indian films are getting bigger and better. They already were. Bollywood was already pretty big. And we always have had a certain way of storytelling. Now, I think because we are so exposed to the international content also, things are kind of merging. The styles are merging. I feel even Hollywood is much more emotional than before, you know. Shedding a tear by a hero is normal in Hollywood now, which wasn't 15, 20 years ago. So both the industries are inspiring each other. And I feel technically also Bollywood is getting stronger. Indian films are becoming bigger, stronger, editing-wise, AI-wise. I'm excited about what's going to come out of India, bigger and better. Something that grabs the eyeballs of the whole world. You know?
Is there anything you can tell us about what your future projects might be? Anything that excites you? Any dream team that you wish to work for, or a certain character that you always wanted to play, or a version of that character? Anything at all?
Not really. I have not thought all that. But yeah, I want to work with all the good makers. And there is a script which came to me, and maybe by the end of the year we will start working on it. But बीच में अभी लंबा gap है, so I'll just do a few little here and there.
I was in conversation with a wonderful Gaurav Gera who plays Alam Bhai in Dhurandhar. Gaurav, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. And as we all know, you know, I mentioned this when Dhurandhar Part 1 came out last year in December, that 50 years after Sholay, we've got a film which feels as groundbreaking as Sholay. It could be a once-a-generation thing. Not every action thriller is going to be a Dhurandhar. And those of you who've made these characters memorable for us movie fans, you should be given the credit that you deserve. And I hope that you know just how loved you are for the performances you've given. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shabnam. Thank you so much. I feel so blessed that I was part of it. Because there are a lot of good actors. There's phenomenal talents, and not everybody is a part of it, you know. Or I was lucky enough to be a part of it. I was there at the right time, and I feel blessed. And thank you so much for all the love. And thank you again.
और ये भी तो है ना कि अगर आपको एक अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट मिलती भी है, as you know better than any of us do, how it's put together, what it looks like after the edit, all of that makes a difference to the final product that the audience sees, because we have no idea what the behind the scenes is, right? But whatever we've seen, we've loved it. You know it from the box office numbers, and we can't wait to see more of you as an actor. I wish you the very best, Gaurav.
Thank you, Shabnam. Thanks.
You can catch Shabnam Sahi, the ultimate storyteller, weekdays 9 a.m. till 12 noon.